So let's check back the API documentation. For add the member, we are going to use the API endpoint with the addMember.php and the method is post. And this API is requesting the for parameter which is sending inside the body section. So let's go back to the Android Studio to show. I will show you how it's going to work. I'm going to create a function called assign add member, and we will develop the add member function private void add member. So create the string request, new string request, which will accept 4 parameter. First will be the method, in this case we are using the post methods. Second is the API for the add member. Third one is the response listener. Fourth will be the error listener. Alright, normally we would put the semicolon here to end our string request, but in this case we are going to send the data, the full data. So actually we need to do something a little bit different with the previous lab. So we have to, according to Wally, we need to have the open curly braces and close curly braces. This is the space for you to send the data inside the body section. How we're going to do this is we have to implement or override a method. Just right click on the studio and then click the generate. Select the override method. Find the under the com.android only request, find the get param method and then click OK. And then here we have to create a hash map to store the key and value data so that Moody can recognize which one is key, which one is the value. So map string give a variable name, I just call param, and then new hash map. Inside the hash map we also define the type, which is string, both of it. And here we are going to create the hash map, key and value pair, remember. So the key will be the matrix name, club ID, and the status. And the value is what we get from the user input, which is the matrix, member name, member status, and also the club ID. So let's finish the param. Matrix. So do for it for another 3. Name, club underscore ID, and status. So we have to double check the variable. So for the name is member name. For the club ID is club ID. And for the status is member status. Alright. So let's execute the string request. So we have to define the request queue. My request. So if everything is executed correctly, this onResponse method will be called. So inside this onResponse method, we will going to get back the new data and then show it inside the member. And this we have to use the return param. So let's try to run the application, and then you can key in the new data. So click add. Let's check the data is inside it or not. So you can see the data is already inside the database and can show back in the list view. Alright, that's all for the add member API endpoint.